Okay, we're going to look at another way to replace color. So here we have this image, and what we're going to do in this case is we're going to paint. So we're going to grab our paintbrush, standard paintbrush, and we're going to change the blending mode. So I'm going to do a tutorial on blending mode separately, give an understanding of blending modes. But the idea with the blending mode is that you can pass certain values through a brush or through a layer, and you can obstruct others. And so in this case, we just want to pass the color. So we're going to go down to the blending mode called color. Now I go over and I pick whatever color I want. Using the color picker, click on the foreground color swatch, use the spectrum to drill up and down, find the color I want, click into the big box, choose the color. I'm going to use the right square bracket key to make the brush bigger, and as you can see, when I paint over her dress, it changes its color. Cool thing about this is that I can go and I can choose a different color if I want and just paint over what I've already painted. And the idea with this is that I can make a color swap of something by using my paintbrush. And then what I have to do, of course, if I use this type of technique, is be very careful when I get over to the edge, or I could have formed a selection of the dress if I wanted to, make a selection of the dress. I can do it either way. I can zoom in nice and tight and pay very close attention to those edges, change the size of the brush as I get closer to the edge, or I can create a selection and mask it. Now I paint over her area with the hair. Notice that the hair is not really being modified, and I can change the color using that particular option. So that's another technique for swapping color.